Using opaque inkjet heat transfer paper is a great and affordable way of bringing full color images onto black or dark colored garments. By relying on the white of the paper itself, many dark inkjet transfer papers offer colorful results. They're ideal for virtually any dark cotton or polyester fabric. Inkjet transfer papers are designed to work with most home or office inkjet printers, so all that's needed is a way of cutting the printed transfer, such as a contour cut ready vinyl cutter or scissors, and a heat press for the best transferring results. Due to the nature of dark heat transfer paper, there's no need to mirror your image before printing. After cutting the printed transfer, we can begin setting up the heat press. Firm pressure is ideal for most inkjet transfer papers. However, other settings like time and temperature should be set to the manufacturer's recommendations. Once the machine reaches temperature, we'll first preheat the garment to clear any wrinkles and moisture out. Then peel the transfer off of the backing and place it face up on the garment. Cover it with a protective sheet and press. When the press is done, just remove the cover sheet and your transfer is finished. If you're interested in trying out inkjet heat transfer paper, visit us at heatpressnation.com.